We're all human. We're all living on this planet. What makes you more special than other people? People underestimate how strong people can be. Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Cheryl here. So today I'm going to do a makeup for summer, and as you can tell, I did have my hair cut, there's no other reason. I just needed a change. I love long hair, but sometimes I just felt like it's too much work, especially like it's summertime, it's going to be hot, so there it is. So this video is going to be a chit chat type of video. My base, I'll be using this product. So speaking of change, this really is the time that a lot of people are going through changes. If you watch the news, the country is in deep crisis. How come I can't like twist this bottle? Like, what's happening right here? Okay. Every day you watch the news is sad. I just feel like a lot of people have had enough of being treated differently or just treated poorly, and now this is the time that people come together and just like make this movement happen. Just too much like dark energies, whenever there's like darkness, the light's gonna come through. For the Black Lives Matter movement and a lot of different things, I felt like it's a much needed movement that people come together and just fight for their rights. This is really the time. These people have their voice heard. I'm sorry I can't talk while I'm like doing my makeup. I don't understand is when people say all lives matter. But have you really looked at what's going on, just throughout history, in America? Racism is always there. Systemic learned behavior that, these people have never been treated fairly. So for me, this is the right time to educate yourself. You don't have to deal with the thing that they have to deal with. And this day and age, people talk about feelings a lot. Imagine you feel hurt every single day. You have to be treated differently every single day just because of your skin color. I think this is a time that we need to be more empathetic, just like, to have more empathy in people who are going through the hard times and just dealing with their losses, injustice. There's already like enough darkness going on, and then you still have people say like, oh, where were you before this movement? Support is support. You can't just overlook the fact that people are supporting you because they just come to support you. Don't count on the timing and everything. It's just, it's not that. It's more about we come together for the togetherness and support each other. So I get like troll comments, on my Instagram. I get the fact that they're troll, they want to troll you. It's not that they have a point or they want to prove something. And to me, it's like, please don't pretend you have such a like great intention when all you want to do is to troll me. So I don't understand, and how to deal with troll? Ignore them, because you don't want to waste your time. It's not worth your time or your energy to actually reply. So I've been trolled for like over a year, and it just, to me, it's like you don't worth my time. Those agendas are so clear to me. I don't need to waste my time on these stupid things. So here I'm using the concealer by Dior. So yeah, that's that. I do believe in changes, good vibes. So this is a time not to drown people with negativity. It's really the time to bring all the good energies together and just bring hope, and lift each other up, instead of like trying to be like, oh my god, did you know this is like horrible, saying like all the stupid like negative things. If you're one of those people, I really hope you understand we're all going through this dark time. Coronavirus is not done yet. So please be cautious, just take care of yourself as well as take care of other people. We're all human. We're all living on this planet. What makes you more special than other people? It's not about money, it's not about power. It's all about who you are to this planet. So that's how I see it, So yeah. So I'm just gonna conceal some of these like little, I have this little like mark from breakout, like I actually picked that. And another thing is, you know what I'm grateful for? I'm not like a teenage girl looking at all these comments, like nasty comments. I am stronger than my doubts. Like if I really agree with people, or not agree, just like if I really doubt myself and I look at the comments and it's just like, oh my god, you know, I'll be so broken, you know what I'm saying? So I cannot imagine people on Instagram and they're like young and, you know, they feel horrible about themselves, like low self-esteem and all that. I can tell you one thing is, I like who I am, you know, I like my life, I like what I do, you know, so like it's really hard to like take me down, I would say, like mentally, because I know what kind of person I am. I'm not easily gonna be like defeated because of a few words that you say. You know, it's not that kind of thing. People underestimate how strong people can be. I actually finished my base. Next I'll be using this powder, and the brand is by Terry. This is kind of like a high-end makeup. I just started using it. The powder is kind of like pink. What I do is I put a little bit on the lid, and then I'll use like a small sponge. But first I need to like dampen this one. I'm using this dampen sponge. Dip into the powder. What you can see is like I will put a little bit underneath my eyes and my temple area. It's like an outer C. It contains hyaluronic acid, so it's gonna help like keeping the area moisturized. You know, if you have like dry under eye areas, I'm not gonna apply all over my face. I only apply like somewhere that is super dry, and I might tend to like just like crack, you know, like the makeup start breaking up. If you have, say, those like frown lines or like the expression lines like here, you can put a little bit here too. Just anywhere that you need that kind of little bit moisturizing effect. I mean, I don't know how well this one will work on oily skin type, because currently my skin is pretty dry. So I'm just gonna use a little bit near the outer C of the eye area and around my mouth. I don't know how well it lasts, you know, on the hottest day, so I'll update you on this product. Okay. Oh, you see a difference without it and with. Do this side. Quarantine makes me so lazy with my brows. I don't even like draw them anymore. I just brush these on. It's like a brow mascara, you know, super easy to just brush on. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes. So lashes are curled, and right now I'm just gonna go into my eyeshadow part. This is actually like a face palette by Wet n Wild. I think I'm just gonna use this like shimmery light pink. Use like a flat brush. And then just like sweep all over my eyelid. You can put a little more, make sure the color is showing. Whatever left on the brush, just bring it down. Okay, and then next we're gonna use like like a fluffy brush. Next I'll be using NARS, this palette, and I dip into like this shade. You have to like dust off. You cannot just apply right away. So make sure you have powder dust off. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna lightly put it on your lid. Kind of just like a windshield wiper movement, but not like completely dig into it. It's just like lightly sweeping on top. So you see a difference from left to right, from right to left. And then next we're gonna use the same palette that we did our base for the eyes. I'm just gonna use my fingertip, light brownsy shade, and then put it the front of the eye. Like just a little bit. And just like. And then next, use the same like flat brush. Also, put some on the tissue. Apply to the outer corner of your eyes. Like, it's like dip into your lid. And whatever left on the brush, you can just bring it down to your lower lash line. And last but not least, we're gonna apply our mascara. Usually summertime, I don't want to wear a lot of coats of mascara. Just like one coat for me is enough. I decided not to do my lower lashes, like the mascara part. I like how it looks. For summer look, I want to do a little bit of the cheeks. But first I'm gonna apply my lip balm. Favorite lip balm. Talked about it in my last favor or like Empties video. So yeah, really love this one. And next I'll be using a lip stain. This one's by Burberry. I'm gonna apply to my palm, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna use my fingertip, make sure using the clean fingertip. Warmed. You see how pretty the shade is? So this would be perfect for like a cheek color. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna dab it onto your cheeks. Might be a little too much, but you know, I'm just gonna blend it out. Don't worry about it because we have a sponge. Blend it with a sponge. A little bit on your chin, your nose. Make sure everything looks like well blended. Actually, it kind of looks like just like natural is, but I do want to put a little bit. So yeah, I like it. Vibrant. You need a little contouring dip. You know. Same face palette, this one. that is the summer makeup. I hope it's easy to recreate. You know, let me know in the comments below if there's any other type of makeup you would like to see. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.